How to use social media competitive intelligence as a secret weapon. Understanding how your brand compares to its competition in the online world is 101 if you want to craft unique and exceptional customer experiences. So, in today's video, we'll be showing you the ropes and breaking down what social media competitive intelligence is, so you can use it as a secret weapon. In a nutshell, social media competitive intelligence lets you listen in on the conversations taking place about your competitors, industry, and products, so you can strengthen your business strategy. Your customers and your competitors' customers are talking online about their experiences, problems, and desires all the time. These conversations provide real-time, unfiltered, and direct feedback. Social media competitive intelligence captures these conversations and gathers insights that you can use to optimize the customer experience. Traditional competitive intelligence falls short when it comes to helping brands understand the ever-changing customer opinion. Social media competitive intelligence, though, takes your market strategy to a whole new level by letting you act on real-time data. You can see sudden shifts in customer conversations, become aware of manufacturing or QA issues in no time, or pick up on external market forces just as quickly. Another benefit is that social media competitive intelligence pushes critical information to you, instead of you having to pull it from surveys or focus groups. This gives you insight into topics you never thought to explore, letting you stay ahead of market trends. Once this insight is automatically categorizing and tracking social conversations in the background, you can peek into the purchase experience at a much larger scale to understand customers across their brand journey. This competitive intel also enables strategic business decisions across your marketing, sales, customer service, and product teams. And with so much real-time social data at your disposal, you'll be able to take a more proactive approach to your brand's digital presence. If you want to learn more about how you can one-up your opponents with social media competitive intelligence, visit Sprinklr.com.